Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your job search history on the Indeed application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to use your credentials to gain access into your account. After logging into your account, you will end up within the home page. Now, right from your home page, you will find the search button where you can tap on and start searching for various different jobs. When you enter your search prompt and start the search, you will be able to find various listings related to that search term, and you will see that your recent search will be added to the recent history as well. If you wish to clear your search history, then simply tap on the search box, and now you will find a cross icon alongside your recent searches. Go ahead and tap on this icon, and now your search item will be removed. You can tap on the undo button to undo the delete process for a short period of time. So to delete, go ahead and tap on the cross icon for all the entries that you want to be removed. And now all of these items have successfully been removed from your search history. If you tap on the search box once again, you will see that there are no more recent entries showing up underneath the search box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your job search history on Indeed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.